So, about 6 months ago, I got a Worm Factory 360. For those of you who don't know what it is a worm composting bin. Stackable for indoors or outdoors. And it's basically just a big vermi composter. Throw in table scraps. There's a list actually of all the good things and the basic instructions. Anyway, I fed them yesterday and I wanted to show you guys what this thing looks like when it's humming along. Try to do this so I don't make a mess. They just love it. Get my rake. So there's that. Just to give you an idea. Started off with a couple pounds, and now I don't even know how many we're up to. There's all kinds of little stuff moving and eating. It's seriously probably one of the funnest little science projects that's come out of this, my gardening. Oh yeah, thought I would share.